Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to view delivery reports in Google Messages. So first you just need to get the latest version of Google Messages app from your App Store or Play Store. It depends on which phone you have, and then I just want you to go through it, tap on it, and right here what I want you to do and what I need from you is just to go on the top right side here corner and tap on your profile picture. Okay, so once you tap on it, it will be appear to you and visible to you to and multiple options. I just want you to tap on the second last one, message settings. Alright, so right here I want you to sorry, once we get through message settings, yeah, and here I want you to scroll down until you can see the advanced settings, advanced right here. Tap on it. Okay, and here there are multiple options. Use simple character, get SMS delivery reports, find out when an SMS message is delivered, and show iPhone reactions, emojis, etc. So as you noticed, and we all noticed, the second option is the one who the one which will enable you to view delivery reports and Google Messages. So turn it on, and from now on you will be able to view the delivery reports in Google Messages just right here, and the same window as you get the message from people and from anything else or anyone else. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.